friends. I was hoping to be back today, but I'm not able to yet. So I'm going to go through your day's schedule again. Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. And Thursday starts with those special two letters, T and H, that says the th sound. So we should start seeing that as one part. Let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, now we'll take a look at our morning message. It says, good morning. Today is Thursday. Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Today in school, you will break apart large shapes to make smaller shapes. No small groups today. Love, Mrs. Farrell. Today's specialist is Fayette. All right. January, if yesterday was number 13, after 13 is 14. January 14th, 2021. And the day of the week, today is Thursday. So what comes right after Thursday? Friday. And yesterday, right before Thursday, was Wednesday. And we are in January. The next month will be February, and the last month was December. And the weather outside, again, it might be different because I'm recording this ahead of time, but I'm going to guess that it's going to be cloudy. So if we do cloudy, we're going to add a tally mark for cloudy and add on our bar graph. So we've had the most days of cloudy, the fewest of sunny. How many more cloudy than partly cloudy? That's where you match them up. And how many more is how many don't have the match. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days were cloudy than partly cloudy. And another day of school. Whoopsie. I forgot to switch my... Gotta delete this quick. All right, another day of school. We'll add a circle and let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Now, to build our number 78, we have 7 groups of 10. We need 8 cubes over in the ones. So let's look at the last digit, which is an 8. So is 78 odd or even? It is even, because for it to be even, it needs to end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, and it ends in an 8. Now let's take a look at a time on our clock. The hour hand we look at first. What did it just pass? It's not here yet. Here's our hour hand. It just passed the 7. So it's 7. Now we look at our minute hand and we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it is 7:30. Now your journal page, you can put the date on the top. It's January, so it's the first month. Do the dash 14 for the 14th, 21. And we'll kind of go through this together. If it's going too fast, you can hit the pause and catch up. 37, 38, after 38 is 39. 40 is there, after 40, 41. 42 is there, after 42 is 43. After 43, 44, and 45 is there. Now we're going to find the missing part. If the whole is 10, one side is 1. What's the other side, the missing part? So we're going to draw and count on from 1 until we get to 10. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we stop. Let's count how many we drew, and that's the missing part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we'll put the other side as 9. Now on this one, here's one part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The side we know is 9. So count on from 9 to 10. So we have 9, 10. So how many did we draw? We only needed to draw 1. So 1 is the missing part. Now we'll count the money. We have to first decide what kind of coin that is. Those are nickels. Do you remember how much a nickel is worth? 5 cents. So let's count by fives. 5, 10. So 10 cents. Last one here, fill in the hour hand to show 4 o'clock. So what we're going to do, the minute hand's up at the top, the hour hand has to be a little bit shorter and pointing right on the 4. For your writing page, you can put the date on the top, the first month, it's the 14th, and the year is 2021. It says, write about a time you helped your mom or dad. So you can start it out either one time I helped my mom and dad when I, or you could just say, I helped, that's up in here. Remember, a lot of those words in our sentence are going to be up in the sentence above. I helped my mom, and I'm going to finish that. So let's think of ideas. When would you have helped your mom? Maybe you helped your mom with the laundry. Maybe you helped your mom with the dishes. I helped my mom carry in groceries. You think of something that you did to help your mom, or if you want to say, I helped my dad, here that word is, and finish how you helped your dad. I will use an example. I helped my mom when, W-H-E-N, when I did. 3 sounds, d, I, d. And then the, remember our little song for that one, T-H-E. When I did the, my last word I'm going to do is dishes. Let's sound that one out. D is my first sound. D, I. Let's stretch it out. D, ish. 2 letters say that. S-H, dishes. And then E-S, because we don't just put an S there at the end when it's at an ending in an S-H and a period. Then you can do your picture. And your picture can match whatever sentence you decided to write. Now we'll take a look at our Seesaw activities for today. You're already watching the meeting. You have a teaching video to listen to for word work, then an IXL, and then page 92 in your workbook that looks like this. It says to complete each sentence by using one of the words in the box. So these are your choices. So you're going to read the sentence, find out which one should fit there, and then write it in. And down here, write your own sentence from the box. You pick one of these words and make up your own sentence. So either write it right on here or, whoops, didn't mean to go out of it. Sorry about that. Or you can take the picture of it. Then you have, for reading, an Ed puzzle to listen to, a wonders game, and the story, maps and graphs. Then this one, read it 3 times. Drag over a smiley for each time that you read it. And the last time you read it, click on the microphone. My microphone isn't showing on the side because I haven't assigned it yet. And it will by the time you see it. And then for math, you click on the lesson and then you click on the page and it looks like this. I can break apart large shapes to make smaller shapes. So the first thing to do on this line is name the shape. What kind of shape is this? Try and write it up here. How could you draw one line on this shape somewhere to make two rectangles? Now it's over here, draw two lines somehow to make four triangles. Then here, what kind of shape is this one when two sides are longer and two sides are shorter? And then draw a line to divide this or make this into two squares. Here you're going to draw a hexagon. If you don't remember what that is, you should review in the teaching lesson that you listened to. How many rhombuses would you need to make this hexagon? So you can draw lines to see how to make that or use those other shapes that you had. And for writing, you're going to listen to the story, Fun with Maps. Then you have a teaching video to listen to. Then you can click on the writing, which looks like this. And then one more teaching video to listen to. And this writing up here was the wrong writing. I think someone was sharing. So if it doesn't match, it's okay. You just do the writing and follow along with the teaching guide or the teaching explanation video. Then when you're done, you click the green check mark to turn it in. And I'm hoping to be back tomorrow before we have the Friday one. If not, I will tape another lesson, but I really hope I get to see you guys in person. Have a great day.